The chairman Nigerian Diaspora Commission, Mrs. Abike Dabiri-Erewa, has called on the incoming 9th Assembly to amend the constitution to enable Nigerians in diaspora vote in the next elections. At the inauguration dinner with diasporans in Abuja, she explained the benefit of their participation in Nigeria's electoral processes and votes.
All of us, it's going to be about lobbying the National Assembly to amend the section of our laws to make it possible for Nigerians in diaspora to vote. And this is the 9th Assembly, and hopefully they will listen to the yearnings of the diaspora that they should be able to vote. Smaller countries are doing it, and it can be done in such a way that it's even going to add more credibility and more value to whatever it is we're doing. We're talking of the people who are remitting so much money into the country, and with the plans we have with the diaspora, we believe that we can even double the remittances. We also want them to invest in Nigeria. We want to focus on diaspora investments back in the country. We'll be talking about foreign direct investment, but the diaspora investments will be huge and are already huge.
While pledging President Muhammadu Buhari's readiness to ensure diaspora voting, the chairman assured the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) would be on board with the amended constitution.
President Buhari has said, listen, I'm game. INEC chairman has said, we're ready, but the laws have to be amended. So I'm calling on Nigerians in the diaspora everywhere. Let's all come together and lobby the National Assembly to make it happen. It should be one of the very first things we'll put forward when the 9th National Assembly gets rolling, so that you can sponsor a bill to amend the necessary part of the law to make it happen. And I don't see why it shouldn't happen. And the earlier you started, the better, so that you're prepared. We say have 4 years to prepare for another round of elections.
While some Nigerians called for their involvement in the Buhari-led administration, others spoke on utilizing their manpower and resources to build the nation.
There's a whole lot of money that is being sent home from the diaspora every time, every day, every month. Is in fact able to compete with our oil. So bringing out a commission to really articulate and harness the power of Nigerians in diaspora is one of the best things this administration have done.
We are disenfranchised constitutionally from having the right, to voice out and be able to vote and choose the people, despite people that our leaders, in government places, despite the fact that our remittance has made Nigeria to be a capital country.
We have many professionals that can come into this country and turn things around in business, in education, in everything. So we hope the government can use the resources they've got. You've sent us abroad. We're here to serve. We're ready to serve Nigeria.